So we've got this massive touchscreen in front of us, also with click wheel control. And you might notice that I have an Android phone right now, not plugged in, but we have Android Auto. Wireless Android Auto on the BMW M5 Competition and on new BMWs going forwards. This is the first car I've been in with wireless Android Auto. What is different is we've got this new widescreen display. BMW have really upped the ante here with the design, and they've added this new way of looking at Android Auto. This is the app screen. I've got my music that I can go into. I can get a full screen view of everything here. Really, really beautiful to look at, really next level in terms of seeing your entertainment, seeing what's happening, being able to go back. When this is full screen with the music, the multimedia player vanishes on the side. If we were to go back to, there we go, you saw it pop back there. If we were to go to Google Maps again, now the player pops up down there again and you can see the time. So the whole screen is being used by Android Auto. Navigate to Chandlers BMW Eastbourne.
Navigating to Chandlers Hailsham BMW.
This is where I borrowed this car from. If you're after BMW new or used, please pay them a visit. So you can see here, Android Auto, wireless, everything that you would expect works here. You can scroll through, you can see the notifications and notifications. And now when you have navigation, you'll notice down in the bottom left-hand corner, there's now navigation showing as well. And I can go out of here, back to navigation. If I go back to music, then the navigation appears down in the corner. So really, really great. I can have my music and I can still have my navigation. This is, you know, a big improvement over Android Auto on smaller screens, having that extra real estate, knowing that you can have your music, you can have your clock, you can see the time, and you can see the navigation. So I can click on the side here to go between the two. Navigation, back to here again. Clock doesn't do anything. So that is wireless Android Auto on the BMW M5 Competition and on all BMWs going forwards. And I can change my widgets here, there we go. So we go on route preview, and now we are done with that, done. You can add another widget here if we want to. So we could go traffic and then done. So now on here, I can see my overview of my Android Auto navigation, plus I can also see my music in Android Auto, plus I can see it's connected to my phone, and I can see my local traffic. That's even if I'm not actually inside Android Auto itself. But I can easily go back to Android Auto like this. And this is wireless at Apple CarPlay as well. I've disconnected it from my phone. You can see it works just like Apple CarPlay would be expected. We've got this massive, great big display of the apps and your navigation, and it's a different experience obviously to what you got with Android Auto, which had the maps and then it had a little widget for your music or your directions, and then obviously the time in the corner. This is much more, it's just basically extended it across the length of the screen. And then if you go into something like Spotify, it just extends it across the screen. So there is a different philosophy here with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on these cars, as you can see, but it works. And you know, this color, this wallpaper is very bright and very easy to see. It looks like a massive iPad or a massive iPhone on your car, does Apple CarPlay, on this massive screen in the M5.